Today we're going to be talking about factoring using a factor tree. We'll factor down to prime numbers, we'll find the greatest common factor and the least common multiple. Okay, we'll start by factoring the number 6. We'll factor it down to its two prime number factors, 2 times 3. We'll factor the number 12. 12, start with what you know, 2 times 6, 2 times 2 times 3. Those are the factors of 12. Okay. Now we're going to factor 360. We'll go with what we know, 2 times 180. Two numbers. I'm going to bring our 2 down. Two numbers, 90 times 2. And 90 is 45 times 2. This is where we are so far. Okay, 45 is 9 times 5. Okay. 9 is 3 times 3. Bring all the factors down that we have. 2, that's a 2. All right. Now I'm going to group these factors from smallest to largest just to keep 2 times 2, and I'm going to cross out the ones that I've used already. And then finally times 5. Final answer. What we're going to do is group these multiplied 2's using an exponent. 2 to the third means 2 times 2 times 2. And then 3 to the second means 3 times 3 times 5 equals 360. This is our number factored down. Okay. Next, we're going to find the greatest common factor between 30 and 12. 30 has the factors 5 times 6, 2 times 3, and 12 has these factors 2 times 6, 2 times 3. Which ones are common? I see a 2 here, so I'm going to circle both 2's. Okay, and I see a 3 here, circle both 3's. Greatest common factor of 30 and 12 is 2 times 3, 6. Greatest common factor are those factors that are common to both numbers. We multiply them together to get the greatest common factor. The least common multiple is all of the factors that are here. I see. So this time I'm going to use okay, I have a 2. 2. I have another 2. I have a 3. It's common to both. 2 times 2 times 3. And I have a 5. When we multiply this out, it's 4 times 12 times 5. 60. Least common multiple is 60. Another way to check that is that we take the 12, multiply it times the factors that we haven't used from that 12. 12 times 5 is also 60. We took the 30, multiplied it by the factor that doesn't belong under it. 30 times 2 is 60. Okay, we'll find the greatest common factor between 360 and 144. Factor this down. The factors of 360 are 2 to the third power, 3 squared, 5. We'll factor the other number, 144. 12 times 12, 2 times 6, 2 times 6, 2 times 3, 2 times 3. Factors here are 2. How many 2's do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 to the fourth power. How many 3's? 2 times 3 squared. (144) was 2 to the fourth power times 3 squared. Okay, to find the least common multiple, we're going to take the greatest, we're going to take all the factors and the highest power that we see. So the highest power here is 2 to the fourth. I'll write that down, 2 to the fourth. We see a 3 squared on both of them. 3 squared times 5. $720. So it'd be the same thing as 360 times 2, 720. That's the factor that we didn't use here. 144, we're going to take the factor that we don't have here and multiply it times 5. That's our check. 720.